Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Deco Mini 7 XP pen. Let's get started. The 8 shortcut keys can be customized according to your preference. It has a quick guide for the graphics tablet, another quick guide for how to connect, and a warranty policy. A USB to USB-C cable, 10 extra pen nibs. Oh wow, a ring! No, it's a pen clipper. USB-C and micro USB adapter. And lastly, a battery-free stylus. Its weight is 12.7 grams. It has a one-click toggle and right-click button to switch between pen and eraser mode. The stylus can be tilted to 60 degrees. Now let's try to connect it with my Asus F15 Tough Gaming. It's very easy to use and it's working very smoothly. You can also use this device for online teaching. Now I'm going to erase this by pressing this button. It works with major softwares too, including Photoshop, Blender 3D and many more. So that's it guys. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll be coming with the new content very soon. Bye.